What's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So first thing we wanna do, we gonna go ahead and get our mushroom chopped up. Now I like fairly thick pieces, so I do mine about, I would say 3/8 of an inch. But you can do yours less. You can do a quarter or even less than that if you want. But the thicker you chop it, the more meatier it is. Now after our portobello is all chopped up, let's go ahead and get some olive oil in our pan. 2 tablespoons. And start spreading down our onions. Y'all know I like my onions. Yes, I do. Let's give them a little mixy mix. Oh yeah. Then as the onions sweat down, we're gonna hit them with a little salt. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our mushrooms, y'all. Then we're gonna give that a little mixy mix. Now once our mushrooms start getting a little tender, we're gonna go ahead and add us in a 1/2 cup of beer. Now use your favorite beer, whatever beer you like. Me, I'm using Budweiser. So let's give that a mix. And as that cook down, now we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. That's gonna get rid of all the alcohol. And just gonna leave that beer flavor. And then we're gonna add in our heavy cream, y'all. Then we gonna go and rain on them with a little salt, some pepper, some basil, and some oregano, y'all. And of course a little parsley. Then we're gonna get that all mixed in. Then we're gonna cook it down until it get to the thickness that you like. And then I made some rice. And y'all know me. I'm just gonna pour this right over that rice, y'all. And hey, it's a beautiful meal for me, y'all. It's a beautiful meal. Don't even need no meat today. And I don't come in with some fresh Parmesan, grated right over the top. Oh my goodness. Hey, I ate like 2-3 plates of this. I don't know how many, but it was good, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.